Hello everybody. Today the speed parameter modification in a Toyota LWE 160 will be performed. This machine is limited to 30% of its maximum speed. Therefore, this parameter will be modified. Connection to the machine is established, and through the corresponding path it is possible to access the Toyota LWE 160 model. Next, the ICH1 system is selected. Within the system, it is possible to access parameters, where the desired values for each user profile of the machine can be modified.